Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about similar item search and related item search. It can be difficult to find the exact line item you're looking for in Xactimate. In fact, one of the first Xact Hacks videos I ever did was called Finding a Line Item. But there are additional opportunities or ways that you can find line items, and I wanted to highlight the similar item search and the related item search. So here I have an Xactimate 28 estimate open. I've dropped in a room and I've thrown in 3 line items into this room to display. Here is my search window in the estimate tab for the line items I want. And you can see right here similar item search and related item search. Now currently they are grayed out because if you look down here, I have selected a not existent line item. This is the blank waiting for a new line item. If I were to go to one of these line items, dry 1/2 for example, it will now turn blue here for similar item search and related item search. What is similar item search? This is going to show you line items that are close to it, similar, that you may want to use in place of the original line item you were searching. So this is going to generate line items that are similar to the 1/2 dry line item. I'm going to click it now and you'll see here, these are square 1/2 inch drywall square footage line items that you may want to use in place of the original line item. I'm looking for similar line items that might be more relevant to the activity I'm trying to capture in this line item. Now related line items. Related is going to generate a list of line items that would be used with the original line item. These are pre-populated by Xactimate, and so if I hit related here, it's going to show me some additional cost line items, some dry patch LF line items, and various painting line items, as it's saying these are often used in conjunction. They're related, and you may want to include these as well. So this can be very helpful in making sure that you know which line items are available for similar item search and which ones you want to use as complements to one another in the related line item search. The line item you use to conduct that search can be very important. Let's go to the second one here. It's CLNSTD. And I'm going to hit similar item search. Note that it only has one similar item option, and that's cleaning stud walls heavy. So the line item, if you wanted, for example, let's go back here and I'll show the similar one. Note that there's no dry 1/2 LF linear foot line items here. This is just similar square footage line items. So the line item you're using to do similar and related search can be very important. If you go to the CLNSTD and do related, it's going to show me other ones for sealing stud walls for auto control and the PNT category code. And last but not least, I wanted to throw in a roofing option here. You'll see similar for other types of roofing shingle options here that we could be using, or related line items that would be related to that line item that you would be applying to a roof in conjunction with the original line item. So this has been a fairly comprehensive video, Xact Hack, on similar item searches and related item searches, and in what situations you would use them and how they would react based on the line item that you are selected to use for related or similar line item searches. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.